I don't know why Phonak's graphic equalizer is so hidden. And if there's anybody from Phonak HQ watching, please make it more obvious where to find it. For those of you keen on adjusting the bass, the mids or the treble, head down to the Adjust Program section at the bottom of the screen. Select the drop down next to Hearing Program, and then press this logo here in the top right corner. Here you have access to a 3-point graphic equalizer, allowing you to make some basic adjustments to the frequency response of your hearing aid. Simply put, if you feel that they're lacking a little bit of depth and richness, you may want to give that bass a little bit of a boost. If you feel that they need a little bit more speech, you may want to increase the mids, or if you need more clarity, raise the highs. On top of that, there are several preset adjustments that you can use that serve the same purpose. In our clinic, we do a lot of work with musicians wearing hearing aids, and having access to this feature has been a bit of a game changer in terms of making music sound more natural and putting them in the driver's seat.